Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Sew It Yourself. For today's video, I am sharing you one of the beautiful short top. You can pair this with jeans, skirts, palazzos. To begin this project, I have taken a required fabric for both front and the back portion. Here you can see 4 layers. And this is the folded side, front portion and back portion. Now I'll show you the length of the top, which is 27 inch. You can increase or decrease the length according to your wish. And width of the fabric is 11.5 inch. Now draw a straight line to trim the raw edges. In my measurement, shoulder is 6.5 inch and neck width point is 3 inch. From this point, mark ½ inch down for shoulder slope, then join this with the neck width point. Again from this point, mark 7 inch. I am increasing ½ inch from the shoulder measurement, so I am marking 7 inch. Extend these points. From the shoulder, mark 15 inch for waist measurement. And 22 inch for hip measurement. Just extend these points. In my measurement, chest is 40 inch divided by 4 is 10 inch plus 1 inch for seam allowance. My waist measurement is 34 inch divided by 4 gives you 8.5 inch. Then mark seam allowance. For hip, I am taking the same measurement as chest. So mark 10 inch and then seam allowance. Then for the bottom, I am taking the full width of the fabric. Then again from the bottom, mark 2 inch above. Then draw a slight curve. From this point, mark ½ inch inwards and join this here. Then draw a back armhole. And again from this point, mark ½ inch inwards and draw a front armhole curve. For neck, I'll show you the markings while stitching. Now join this. With this marking is complete, now I'm going to cut it. Now separate the back portion and for the front portion, trim the front armhole. Mark the notches. Separate the front portion and for the back portion, mark 3 inch. Then 4 inch down. Then draw a round neckline for the back portion. Now I'm going to show you how to cut the sleeves. For that I have taken a leftover fabric. These are 2 layers. Then fold the fabric by half in width. Four layers. And the length of the sleeve is 13 inch. Extend these points. Now from this point mark 4 inch down. From here mark 8.5 inch. This is your arm round measurement. Then join this. And from here mark the seam allowance. Then draw a back sleeve. Then from this point mark half inch inwards and draw a front sleeve. And for the bottom round mark 6 inch and seam allowance. Then join this. Now I am going to cut it. Mark the center notch. Then open the sleeve and trim the front sleeve. I am going to sew bell sleeves. So for that I am taking an extra fabric. And the length of the fabric is 19.5 inch and width is 10 inch. So just fold this by half in length. Now I am placing the sleeve bottom here and I am tracing the width of the fabric. Then mark half inch above for cutting. This is the seam allowance we are giving, and from this point mark 4 inch. This is the length of the belt sleeve. You can make 5 inch or 6 inch, it depends on you. Now I am going to cut it. So this is how it looks. While stitching, I will show you how to stitch this. This is the right side of the sleeve and I am placing the fabric here. And both are right side and the center should match. Just place this and make a stitch. I have already shared the video for front portion. This is the front portion neckline. Just have a look into it. The link is in the description box. Now I have taken the back portion. I have taken a bias tape to finish the back portion neckline. I am just placing this at the right side of the fabric. Then I'll sew it. After that I will turn and make a stitch. Now make a small cuts all around the neck. Then give a top stitch. I have placed the front portion. Now I'll place the back portion and arrange this. I'll finish the back portion neckline once I attach the shoulder. So you can see this is how it looks. Just place this here and make a stitch at the shoulder. Now finish the back neckline by folding it twice to the wrong side of the fabric. I have finished attaching the shoulder. This is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to attach the sleeves. For that I have taken a fabric and also the bias tape. Just place this at the wrong side of the fabric and sew it. After that, turn and make a stitch. Now make a top stitch. Even you can make a small cuts. Now fold this twice and make a stitch at the right side of the fabric. Similarly, I'll finish the other sleeve as well. So now you can see I have finished this. I will attach the center of the fabric with the sleeve. Then I will make a stitch. After attaching this, sew on the top. That is, make a top stitch. I finished attaching the sleeves. So the belt sleeve looked like this. Similarly, I'll finish the other sleeve. Now I'll show you how to attach this with the top part. Place the center of the sleeve with the shoulder. That is center of the shoulder. And arrange the sleeve like this and make a stitch. Similarly, repeat the same for the other side of the sleeve as well. Check the right side and also the front sleeve. Then make a stitch. I have pinned the fabric. So now I'll make a stitch. I finished attaching both the sleeves. This is how it looks. Now I'll show you how to attach the sides. For that, arrange the fabric. Now, starting from the sleeve round, that is sleeve bottom round, stitch up to the hip point here. Similarly, for the other side also, repeat the same. Starting from here, stitch up to the hip point. Similarly, finish the other side as well. I finished attaching both the sides. This is how it looks. After this, in the slit area, you have to fold the fabric twice at the wrong side of the fabric and make a stitch for both the sides. After that, fold the bottom twice and make a stitch at the inner edge of the fabric for both front and the back portion. Firstly, I'll show you how to do that. This is the slit area of one side. Just open this and fold it twice and make a stitch. So up to this point, then lift the pressure foot and turn the fabric and sew it again. Then turn the fabric and sew it. I finished attaching. Similarly, I'll finish the other side as well. Now fold the bottom twice and make a stitch at the inner edge. Repeat the same for the other portion as well. I finished attaching both the sides and also I finished the bottom. This is how it looks. With this, my stitching is complete. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.